All right, guys, here we go again. We're at Denali, my wife's truck. So today we're doing alternator replacement. Here's the part number that we got. So we got 019-8214-2. Me in China. God damn thing. Anyways, so we got this thing. What you're gonna need to remove the old one, you're gonna need a pry bar, 15 mil socket on it. This 15 mil you're gonna use for 3 bolts on this whole situation. You got 2 bolts here on the bottom for the alternator itself, and then the 15 mil you could put it on your tensioner here. Put your socket like this and just move it to the driver's side. So if you move it, see, it just moves back and forth like that. You release the pressure like that. You release your belt like that, like this. There we go. Put that back on so you don't forget where you're at. That clings back to its place, and then you got the 2 bolts here on the alternator. I'm gonna use my 90-degree angle air thingy jiggy to remove it. So you got 1 bolt. If you never replaced the alternator on your truck, then it's a good idea to use PB Blaster. Spray it on the bolts before you start. Wait like 10 minutes to an hour and then go at it. Engine cover, pull up, wiggle, and pull out. Next, you're gonna have the red wire behind here that's bolted there. That's your power wire that goes into your battery. So you have to take a ratchet to that. And then you got your sensor wire that's on top here. Just pulls out like that. So there's that wire. I'm gonna get myself another pry bar, like a flathead screwdriver, shove it underneath the unit right here, where my finger is, and then pry up. And then the other side you could like wiggle back and forth like this, and this whole thing will pop out. Other side, look at that, like new. All right, so this thing is loose. Okay, it's all loose now. So now you got this thingy jiggy. Gotta find a socket. So to get to this spot, I just used one of these pry bars that I have and just pry it up on the unit. It pops out like that. On the alternator, flip it around, gives you more access to the bolt in the back. The back bolt is 10 mil. I got this little stubby wrench here, like that. Remove the red wire, wiggle, wiggle. That's free. This is your old alternator, so it's a great boat anchor, fishing anchor kind of thing. It's completely dead, but we're gonna return this back to the parts store to get a, was it $10? $10 back for core charge, because this is brand new that we got, so it's core charge of $10 for us in Canada here. So I'm gonna bring this back, get 10 bucks back. So this is gone. New one, open the box. Inside the box is foam padded. Get yourself a new alternator with instructions how to do it. All right, so the first thing, I'm gonna put the power line back, the red wire, how it was on the old one, because now is the time. It's nice and easy. Hand tight, don't go crazy. Put that back. Here's your wire, put that on the side. All right, wiggle it back into place. Oh, it don't work, bro.
What?
Those little things are in the way.
What are those?
Collars. Hammer.
Do you need those things?
Yeah. So the old unit was not that wide. That's why they moved in. This is a new one, so the new one's more wider. So just move those in like that. And then look at that. Now you got space. All right. Old bolts. Put bolt number 1 in like that. Bolt number 2. Like that. Wiggle, wiggle. Tighten the 2 bolts. There we go. Hand tight, good enough for Canada. All right. Now we put the belt back. So breaker bar. Shit.
Bye.
So you don't lose it. That's that. Okay. 15mm socket. Like that. Back on the tensioner. Remember, push to the driver's side. Pull the belt. It didn't fall off anything. Okay. Pull the tensioner towards the driver's side. Make sure the belt's on its track. Pull it a little more. Wiggle, wiggle. Pull that there like that. Now release the tensioner. Belt's gonna tighten up. All right, there we go. Nice and tight. Everything's still aligned. Hopefully. Yep, that's it. So that's installed. Now engine cover back on.
Gentle.
All right, very nice.
Gentle.
There we go. So that's it, done. So there you have it, guys.
How long did that take you?
2 minutes. 5 minutes, not even. So it's working 14.3, 14.2 for the alternator. So if you get that number, that means you installed it correctly. So it's not gonna catch. And that's it. Alright guys, there you have it. Simple install of an alternator on the Denali. That's it. If you like it, please like, subscribe.
You're gonna want to flip it around because it's upside down. No? No? Okay.
Okay. Leave that. I'm not gonna use those instructions.
Why not?
Kind of thing, because we watch YouTube and we already know what to do. Kind of thing. Shit, I don't know.